top Facebook and Instagram ad audiences I cannot live without in 2024. Hi, I'm Jenny, CEO here at Ads Uncorked. We generated our clients over $7 million with Facebook and Instagram ads last year. Let me spill the tea. First audience, Advantage Plus targeting. If you're not trying this, you're leaving money on the table. Advantage Plus audiences is basically where Meta will go ahead and decide who they want to send their ads to. Trust me, I've tried this across dozens of ad accounts the last few months. Regardless of niche, it's crushing it. Second audience, a lookalike audience. You need to be doing a lookalike to people who have purchased from your store or a lookalike to people who are on your email list. Whatever is your strongest base audience, do a lookalike to that. Facebook will find people who are very similar to that seed audience you give them, and this audience generally does very, very well. And of course, our standby, number 3, try an interest-based audience. Think about where people like to shop, platforms that they're using, websites that they're on, any kind of interest that you can think of that describe the person you are looking to target. This is a great route to go. I always test out at minimum these 3 audiences for my clients at some point in time. And then from there, you're going to really roll down and understand which audience is likely to buy more from you and yield a greater return for your business. Make sure to save this post for the next time you're an ads manager.